Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an Arc dynamic line library error when you try to install a game or any program that have a large size. So here we go. The isDown.dynamic link library or Unarc dynamic link library error in Windows 10 or 11, mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as programs of large size. Large games or programs have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So the solution is you can try to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. You can try to open the Windows, hold the Windows key and R key button here and open the run. Here you can try to type system.cpl, sysdm.cpl, click OK, and this is the system properties. You can click advanced, click settings, again click advanced and change virtual memory. You can untick automatically manage paging file size for all drives and click on custom size, so you can fill this blank initial size and maximum size in megabyte. So you can fill this blank. You can increase your virtual memory based on your RAM of your laptop or of your PC. So ideally for most games 2.5 gigabyte is enough, so the value which will work in most cases is 403,000. so this set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 gigabyte. After that, you can restart your PC or your laptop and try to reinstall the program. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also the text button below. See you in the next video.